Good morning, everybody. Mike Niemiec here with some early morning grain and oilseed comments again on now a Thursday, May 30th. Well, we had a back off after the shoot up in prices yesterday, and in the overnight trade we did see some follow through to the downside, but now we're rebounding again, and we're up roughly around 5 cents in the wheat, up around 5 in the corn, up 2 in beans, up around $2 in the soybean meal. But poor soybean oil still struggles, seemingly having some of the better fundamentals out there, but nonetheless down 5 points at this point in time. I want to go and say that the run-up that we saw in prices yesterday is kind of interesting in this instance. That the player sheets yesterday said that the funds were buyers of around 15,000 contracts for corn. They bought in the neighborhood of around 16,000 beans, 8,000 meal, and 6,000 soybean oil. However, the prices were down, and the assumption is that the traders have this net short position and that they were coming on out of it. Why were we on the heels of coming on down in prices yesterday? I also want to go and reiterate that yesterday the home team once again was suggesting, as far as maybe perhaps looking into this rally that we've seen in here of late with the funds coming out of the positions to go into cash sales. So they're still the same. So I'm reiterating what we said yesterday: 70% in the 18 crop, 50% in the 19 crop, and 30% in the 20 crop. We made a high yesterday in roughly the December wheat of around 550, 455 in the corn, 920 in the beans, and it's kind of in the neighborhood of where the cash sales wanted to be done, once again, by the home team in yesterday's trade. So perhaps some of the back off, even though the open interest kind of went down a little bit, but the player sheet said they went on up, was that there was new selling coming into the marketplace. However, is it over with as of yet? And that's the question right now, because once again, we've had these lows. We'll put the pivotal price areas for the wheat at 490 in the December, in the corn 415, and in the beans at 870. So that's our price range right now. On a scale of 1 to 10, I still think that we're kind of at a 5 right now, because I don't think we got it out of the system as of yet. The overnight weather forecasts kind of mixed. It's all over the map as far as the short term, the medium term, and even the longer term. So it can go either way. So we've kind of hit a crux as far as a rally that we've seen here for right now. Yeah, if everything goes perfect and the funds are done, money flowing on the plus side, and the weather turns a little bit more appreciative, than maybe what we saw yesterday. But it doesn't seem like that's going to be the case. It still seems like there's going to be a little bit more juice still in the marketplace to go forward, because we still have the growing season in front of us. The other thing I want to let you know is that the index flows are starting to come as well. So that's part of the open interest changes as well. So we broke yesterday. We were lower overnight. We're back on the rebound. Keep an eye on the weather. Export sales tomorrow. Ethanol numbers coming on out today. But on a scale of 1 to 10, still don't think it's over with as of yet. These are my opinions, not that of ADM or ADMIS. I thank you.